So planes. Let me draw a plane. So the key to drawing a plane, convincing plane, is draw with parallel lines. Like this. So this is not a finite plane. I just stop drawing it. It actually expands in that direction, in all directions. Okay. You know, here's how we define this plane. Meaning, here's how we get all the points on the plane. We first shoot up to any particular point on the plane. Let's say we found a point right there. Call that P0. Okay, let me use black. P0. From here, any two dimensions, if you just get two vectors, and it's any two vectors, one going this way, one going that way, you can multiply, like change the side and change the direction of these two vectors to get anywhere on this plane. So what just happened?
Wait, is the P already on the plane?
Yes, P is already, so we need to first get to a point on the plane. Like this, with a position vector. So this is P position vector, which gets you to P0. Plus S vector U plus T vector V. This is U and this is V. This is the vector form of a plane. Okay. Alright, so this is impossible to visualize. So I just know there are three different points in the air. Right? I know that any position vector, so these are the positions in the air, right? Let's say 2, 3, 1. B, -3, 2, 4. Like, I'm not even plotting them properly. I don't need to. I know we learn how to plot these, but even that, it's, you know, to really visualize it, it's 3-dimension, right? So we gotta add shadings in and stuff, and we don't have time to do that. It's not our class, right? Just to try visualizing it, but it's not that, you know, ability which you can visualize will help you find the equation. Okay, it's this idea that let's shoot up to a particular vector. It can be any one of them. It doesn't have to be A or B or C. You just pick one. So Daisy, which one do you want to go up to?
B.
Alright, B. Let's go there, okay? And another thing. Do you guys see that if you have 3 points, that does define a plane? So you see that's a plane now? Okay. Okay, we're at B. We need 2 vectors that are on this plane. We can find them in the edges. Here. One here and one here. So basically what we need to do, our vector is -3 to 4 plus S BA plus T BC. Right? Those are the 2 vectors on the plane. It can be any 2 vectors, but we only have 3 points, so let's pick those vectors on the edges. Okay. So SBA is going to be 2 minus, so it's 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 4 is -3. T BC 1 plus 3, so 4. 1 minus 2 is -1. -5 minus 4 is -9. Like that. That's our vector equation. Now, you know, usually equations are like this nice, distinct final conclusion. With vector form, if Daisy, instead of picking B, she picked C, we would have gotten a completely different equation. Okay, so there's actually many answers. But it's very important to show your work to be marked correctly.